Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with the new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
The cabin filter is located on the left corner of the footwell. There are 3 screws securing the bottom of the glove box. Remove the screws using a Phillips head screwdriver. Open the glove box. Remove the 4 screws securing the top of the glove box. Remove the 2 screws inside of the glove box. Remove the glove box assembly and set it on the floor. Unclip and remove the filter housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1154 filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing towards the back of the car. Installation may be easier if you pinch the sides down. Reinstall the filter housing door. Reinstall the glove box assembly. Reinstall the screws. Reinstall the bottom screws. Reinstall the screws. close the glove box. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.